Hello. Today, join me as we explore the incredible process at a factory that processes thousands of rat every hour. Leave a number 1 if you agree. The most common type of mouse used for consumption is the field mouse. They live in rice fields and crops and have sweet and delicious meat. Many people comment that field mouse meat tastes similar to chicken, but is richer and more flavorful. Others compare it to rabbit meat due to its tenderness and naturally sweet taste. Field rat are considered a specialty in some regions, such as Vietnam and China. Rat meat is carefully processed to ensure both hygiene and flavor. At the processing facility, workers clean the rat thoroughly. After that, the meat is washed and soaked in diluted salt water to remove any odors. Finally, it is packaged for distribution. Rat meat is best when stir-fried. The meat purchased from a processing facility has been cleaned and is ready to sizzle in the pan with onions and garlic. You can smell the enticing aroma from the beginning of the street. Rat traps using bamboo tubes are an effective method for catching rats on farms. Prepare a bamboo tube 30-40 cm long with a moderate diameter and place it in areas where rat frequently appear. Around the bamboo tube, place bait such as corn to attract the rat. When the rat enter to eat the bait, they become trapped. Afterward, the captured rat are brought to the farm to be raised and cared for, ensuring high-quality rat for livestock farming. Rat have the ability to reproduce quickly, giving birth to 6 to 12 babies each time. Their breeding season usually lasts all year round, with peak periods in spring and summer when conditions are optimal. Rat farms are designed to accommodate approximately 10 to 20 rats per cage. The cages are cleaned at least twice a day to ensure hygiene and health for the rats. Unlike many other animals, rats need an environment with minimal light because they prefer the dark. The number of rats on the farm ranges from 100 to 200. Rats raised on the farm are kept hygienic so that consumers do not need to worry about product quality. Rats' diet consists mainly of corn and industrial feed grains. They are fed about 2-3 times a day to ensure they receive enough nutrition and energy. Corn is the primary source of nutrients, providing the necessary carbohydrates and fiber for the rat. The feed grains contain protein, vitamins, and minerals, which help maintain their health and support proper growth. In addition to raising hamsters for meat production, the farm also raises white rat to increase productivity. White rat reproduce quickly, helping to meet the demand for rat in a short period of time, thereby optimizing farm output. The farm primarily supplies white rat to research centers. The standard weight for releasing rats typically ranges from 0.25 to 0.5 kg. Male rats generally weigh more than females. The farm owner harvests rats 3 to 4 times a year once they reach the standard weight. However, a female rat weighing more than 10 kg is unbelievable. Do you believe it? Please leave a comment below the video. The price of rat meat typically ranges from about $5 to $10 per kilogram, though it varies based on local market conditions and supply and demand factors. Prices may also fluctuate depending on the weight of the rat. Salmon is a nutritious, top-ranked fish dish. Let's explore how the factory processes salmon. Indicate 0 if you find this video boring. The first task for workers is to wear protective gear and disinfect in specialized machine rooms. Skilled workers bring fresh salmon to the skin cleaning table. After scaling the fish, they remove the rosy meat fibers from the bones, leaving beautiful orange-pink meat. The salmon is then portioned into chest-like pieces and frozen for packaging. The final destination for these delicious salmon pieces is the dining table, where they impress even the most discerning guests. Salmon typically inhabit deep, cold waters in regions like the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans. They prefer cold temperatures, abundant oxygen, and strong currents. Salmon are commonly found near steep, rocky coastlines or in rivers and streams with clean water, where they breed and spawn. Japan is renowned for tuna fishing. Each year, the country harvests between 1 million to 2 million tons of salmon. Surprised by this figure? Leave a 1 if you are. Japanese fishermen are able to catch large quantities of salmon due to their fishing boats. Though they may appear small, each catch typically yields between 100 to 200 tons of fish. These boats are equipped with specialized fishing gear capable of handling substantial loads. When mentioning salmon, one immediately thinks of Japan's world-famous salmon dishes. If you visit Japan, try experiencing the sashimi restaurant style. Chefs prepare salmon dishes right before your eyes. The freshness of the salmon will surely impress you. Leave a 1 if you'd like to try it out. In vast sugarcane fields, farmers utilize large machines for efficient harvesting. Typically, 3 types of vehicles are employed for this task. Cutters swiftly pass through, preparing sugarcane for harvesting and loading onto trucks. Excavators gather the sugarcane, which is then transported by trucks to processing factories. The process of turning sugarcane into sugar starts with extracting juice from the harvested sugarcane. The juice undergoes boiling to remove impurities and foam. It is then boiled again to thicken and produce sugar. This continuous process occurs in a boiler, followed by further cleaning and refining steps to produce refined sugar. Growing sugarcane typically starts with selecting the appropriate sugarcane variety and preparing the soil. Each sugarcane plant is planted by placing the sugarcane top into the soil, covering it, and ensuring proper care. Sugarcane is ready for harvest after 12 to 18 months, reaching a height of about 1 to 2 meters at that time. Sugarcane juice is a popular beverage sold at roadside stands. It's extracted from fresh sugarcane, offering a naturally sweet flavor and vibrant green color. It's a favorite refreshment to beat the heat on hot days. The leading countries in sugarcane production worldwide are India and China. India cultivates sugarcane on 57 lakh hectares, yielding a total annual sugar production of 33.7 million tons. Close behind is China, producing 30 million tons annually.
In many parts of China, locusts are considered a delicacy and are often served on special occasions. Dishes such as crispy fried locusts, spicy locusts, and braised locusts are becoming increasingly popular due to their unique flavor and high nutritional value. In China, the demand for locust consumption is around 100 tons per year, indicating significant growth potential. Locust meat is becoming increasingly popular not only in China, but also worldwide. Locusts begin to reproduce when they reach maturity, typically about 30 to 35 days after hatching. Female locusts lay eggs in soil or special materials placed in the breeding enclosures. They have specialized ovipositors that allow them to dig small holes in the ground to deposit their eggs. Each female can lay multiple egg pods, each containing between 6 and 120 eggs. Each year, China raises approximately 500 million locusts to meet the growing global demand. The locust market reaches up to 1,000 tons annually, with over 100 tons exported to countries like Japan and the United States. Exporting onions in China is a crucial part of the country's agricultural and international trade sectors. With its large onion output, China typically exports this product to many countries worldwide. Onion shipments are sent abroad via ships, where they reach various consumer markets around the globe, meeting the demand for onions in different countries and territories. This contributes to the development of China's agricultural export industry, creating significant business opportunities for agricultural and export enterprises. Powerful machines are utilized by farmers to uproot, clean, and harvest onions in a single pass through the fields. Equipped with digging blades at the front, these machines cut through the soil and lift the onions to the surface, keeping the roots intact and minimizing damage. A conveyor system then gently transports the onions while removing excess soil and debris. Cleaning mechanisms such as brushes and air blowers are integrated to clean the onions before they are placed into large containers or trailers. This enhances efficiency, reduces labor, and provides favorable conditions for the harvesting process. According to statistics, China earns billions of dollars in profit each year from producing python leather products. Ensuring quality from python farming to crafting finished products has enabled them to create high-quality and unique python leather items. From handbags, belts, shoes, and jewelry to fashion items, each product bears the mark of sophistication and luxury. The python leather product market not only attracts domestic consumers, but also international customers, bringing significant profits to Chinese manufacturers and businesses. In addition to python leather production, China is also one of the world's largest onion producers. Let's explore how the onion production factory operates. China is one of the world's leading onion producers, with numerous onion farms operating across the country. These farms are typically concentrated in provinces such as Shandong and Xinjiang. The hallmark of onion farms in China is their large scale, with thousands of hectares of land used for onion cultivation each year. Modern production technology is applied, from using machinery in the seeding and harvesting process to controlling weeds and pests. Meanwhile, the transportation and distribution system is tightly organized to swiftly and efficiently bring products from the farms to the market. This helps China maintain its position as one of the top onion producers in the world. During the packaging process, onions are packed into various types of packaging depending on the ultimate purpose of use. Types of packaging include mesh bags, plastic bags, vacuum-sealed bags, and plastic boxes. Machinery such as labeling machines and sealing machines are used to streamline the packaging process. Finally, the onions are lined up onto trucks for transportation to stores and retail outlets. Once the onions are harvested and brought to the factory, they are conveyed to undergo the initial cleaning stage, where debris and unsightly outer layers are removed. The conveyor is specially designed with small holes to allow debris to fall through while keeping the onions on top, ensuring better cleaning efficiency. High-pressure air blowers and rotating brushes are often combined with these perforated belts to remove peeling layers and dirt. This ensures that the onions are thoroughly cleaned before proceeding to the next step of the production process. After the initial cleaning of the onions, they move on to the sorting stage. Factory workers sort them based on size, shape, and quality. These machines can detect signs of spoilage and separate unsuitable onions. Ensuring compliance with quality standards, logical sorting ensures consistency in the final products and helps identify onions suitable for different processing lines. Next, the onions are cut and processed according to the requirements of the final product, which could be dried onions, canned onions, or frozen onions. The production process is typically controlled by machinery to ensure consistency and high efficiency. Do you get teary-eyed when cutting onions? Leave a 1 in the comments section. In addition to using python skin for fashion products, Chinese people also utilize shed python skins for medicinal purposes. After shedding their outer layer, python skin is retained by farms to sell to households for drying and medicinal use. Shed python skin is believed to possess many health beneficial properties, including its ability to stimulate blood circulation and alleviate pain. According to folk beliefs, using shed python skin can improve health and enhance the body's immunity. Therefore, many people continue to use shed python skin in treatment and prevention methods, contributing to its popularity and value in traditional Chinese medicine. In addition to using python leather for fashion products, the Chinese also utilize pythons to create unique and enticing dishes. Pythons are considered a highly nutritious food. A popular dish made from this reptile is stir-fried python with spicy seasonings and vegetables. Pythons have a distinct flavor and tender meat, often combined with various spices and greens to create unique and delicious dishes. Surely you may not be aware that python skin is also applied in modern medicine. Nowadays, using python skin as a substitute for human skin in burn victims is one of the advanced and promising applications in the medical field. Python skin is chosen for its flexibility, special waterproof properties, and similarity to human skin. The process begins with carefully harvesting python skin, then forming clean skin patches and preparing them for use in skin grafting. During grafting, the python skin is placed over the wound and precisely fixed to create a natural protective layer for the injured area. This process not only provides an effective solution for burn victims, but also opens up potential in using python skin in surgical medicine. Do you know why products made from python leather are priced so high? Watch the rest of the video to see how craftsmen at the workshop will provide the answer. Firstly, python leather is carefully selected to ensure the highest quality, then softened and processed through various stages specific to leather. The leather is cut into pieces of appropriate size and shape, requiring high precision. Skilled craftsmen use specialized tools to assemble and attach accessories such as zippers and straps. Each product is thoroughly inspected, polished, and finished to ensure luxurious and unique beauty. Products made from python leather are not just high-end fashion items, but also symbols of craftsmanship and artistry, representing sophistication and satisfying even the most discerning customers. The high pricing of python leather products is due to meticulous and elaborate crafting processes. Thank you for watching. Your companionship is our joy and motivation to create engaging videos every day. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 1 in the comments section. Any mistakes you point out will help us improve the quality of each video. Now goodbye and see you in the next videos. Welcome to our channel, which is run by a pro team. First the channel manager, content writer, and finally the editor.